In today's video I will share you guys the most important analysis of Bitcoin and why it is worth watching. You won't regret it, and it is like the most important analysis of all time that I just found. So let's get straight to the point. So before sharing you guys the most important analysis that you have seen in the picture of the thumbnail, let me just give a quick trade update on Bitcoin and what's currently happening. So as you all know that after a huge pump, the Bitcoin's price is currently in a sideways market, range bounding, and well, it's better to not take a trade here, and I will just suggest to not take a trade here. So let's see what happens. If the price of Bitcoin breaks this resistance zone to the upside with a retest, then I will definitely go long. And if the price of Bitcoin breaks this support zone to the downside with a retest, then I will definitely go short. So let's see what happens. And yes, I did went long on Bitcoin, and but I got stopped out because I placed my stop loss way above, like somewhat over here. My first stop loss was over here, but then I decided that just switch my stop loss till over here, and the price did trigger my stop loss and then got reversed back to the upside. But if I did not took that decision and placed my stop loss somewhat over here, then easily this trade will be in profits. But it's okay, not a problem here. I will capture a big move on the Bitcoin's price. That's what I am aiming in the next couple of weeks and months. Update on Ethereum's price, as the Ethereum is perfectly respecting all my levels here, and the most important thing here is that it is continuously in an uptrend, and as soon as it did a breakout of this important purple zone from $2,532 to $2,717 approx, now it is heading straight up to my next target, this important white zone right here. It is a very important zone for the price of Ethereum at 3,346 all the way up to $3,530 approx. And why I'm saying that this zone is very important, you can clearly see the price of Ethereum did respected it quite few times, and yes, that's why this is a minor resistance that can act for the price of Ethereum. But again the next main important level is always this purple zone, ranging from 3,800 all the way up to approx $4,000 as a round number. Right now this is the most important part of the video, and I hope you guys are waiting for this only. So before breaking this whole analysis down, first let me show you that I am on the monthly time frame of the Bitcoin's price, and the chart is a log scale logarithmic chart. So yes, what the log scale do is just makes the chart bigger, and we can clearly see all the data in a very nice format. Like this is just the layman definition of it. Okay, so first of all, I can clearly see the Bitcoin halving that happened in 2012, 1st of November right here. So before the Bitcoin halving we were in a downtrend, and after that there was an important level of resistance that the price of Bitcoin break out, like you can clearly see this white circle right here, and due to the post halving effects. Same here also, bear market downtrend, and then a resistance was formed here. After that the Bitcoin's price did a breakout and then a retest, and you can clearly see the Bitcoin's price always is doing a breakout and a retest just near the halving. You can clearly see this yellow dotted vertical line is the halving date, and you can clearly see 1st of July 2016 right here. You can clearly see the Bitcoin's price did a retest after halving, and then again incessant pump. You can clearly see right here also, just near the halving you can see a breakout, retest, and then continuous pump. Here also the last recent halving at 2020, you can clearly see on 1st of April Bitcoin's price was in a downtrend, then a important level of resistance was there zone. Bitcoin did a breakout, and exactly at the moment of halving the Bitcoin's price did a retest of it and then went continuous to the upside. But this time what is different, I hope you have already figured it out. The price of Bitcoin is in a downtrend perfectly, but the most important thing is this level right here, important level of resistance. The Bitcoin's price did a breakout and a retest, and already pumping up. Like very soon before the halving. You can clearly see the price of Bitcoin currently and the halving right now. And in the past examples, the retest always happened somewhat over near the halving, or exactly at the halving, or just some few days or weeks after the halving. But you can clearly see right here, the next halving is at approx 1st of April, and right here the retest of the Bitcoin already happened in like previous year, July. So you can clearly see how fast the Bitcoin's price is moving. Not only this, if I follow this whole parabolic like this curve resistance, you can clearly see this is acting as a very important resistance for the price of Bitcoin. Right here, right here, right here, the bottom also. So this is a very important of resistance. And if I keep this in mind, so the next target of Bitcoin is just all the way up till 77 or maybe till $80,000 only. Not much target this time. And obviously the price of Bitcoin will break this whole curve analysis of what I have done, because it's just the beginning, and the price of Bitcoin will continue to pump higher and higher, maybe till $1-2 million in the future. But this time, this halving, what I am expecting is that the price of Bitcoin can only maybe go up to 80 to 100k dollars, and not much. That is also like the most expected result I'm expecting from the price of Bitcoin right now, because you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin already did a retest of it, and now continuously green candles are pumping and pumping towards the upside. So what this is signifying is that the price is continuously pumping, and after the halving there are chances that the buyers will get exhaust at somewhat over all-time high level at $70,000, and then we can clearly see another downtrend maybe. This is what I am expecting for the price of Bitcoin. And I hope you learned from this analysis. Do watch this video 2 to 3 times to understand that what I am currently saying on this. And if you have any other thing to add on this, definitely comment down below, and I will for sure read all of your comments. So guys, I hope you understand this important Bitcoin analysis, and how this time, this halving, the 2024 event is performing like weird very, because already it did a retest and continuously green candles are pumping. What is this signifying? Is this signifying that the bulls are like a lot in power this time, and the Bitcoin's price will surpass 100 to 100k dollar level, or near the all-time high level, that is at $70,000-80,000, the Bitcoin price will fluctuate and then it will start to dump? Well, that will be a very interesting case to see. So I hope you understand something from this analysis and the daily analysis on Bitcoin. And do follow me on my Twitter. I always update you guys on my trades and some important analysis like this. And yeah, if you want to create an account on Bybit, you can do that for free. By the link is in the description, and in the comments you can get up to $30,000 deposit gift. So if you are interested, you can do and trade Bitcoin and any other crypto you want. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. Do watch it 2 to 3 times, as it is a very important analysis video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.